हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल मन से मैथ। आज मैं डिस्कस करने जा रही हूँ टेंजेंट एंड इंटरसेक्टिंग कोड, दैट इज द 18th चैप्टर ऑफ द 10th स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ आईसीएसई बोर्ड। उसकी बी एक्सरसाइज के कुछ सम्स, ठीक है। उसकी बी एक्सरसाइज मैंने अपनी पहले वाली वीडियो में स्टार्ट कर रखी है, इसके इंट्रोडक्शन दी है उसमें और इसके कुछ सम्स सॉल्व किए थे। ओके, अब इसके कुछ अगले नेक्स्ट सम्स मैं सॉल्व करने जा रही हूँ। Okay, from the book of Selena. First sum consists of 3 parts. All those 3 parts I have solved in my previous video. Here I am going to discuss the second sum now. In the second sum, figure is given by this is a circle. Okay, so this is a tangent to the circle. CD is any chord which meet the tangent at the point P. Here is C, D, here is T, there is P, and AB is the diameter. Okay, suppose here is the center, AB is the diameter which meet the exterior point P also. Okay, AB, it's a diameter. So what else is given there? With this information they have given CD is equal to 7.8 centimeter, PD is equal to 5 centimeter, PB is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, you need to find AB. The first you need to find AB and then the length of the tangent PD. Length of tangent PT. Okay, so these two chords AB and CD are intersecting externally, means they are meeting at the external point. Okay, a point which is outside the circle. Okay, so because chords AB and CD are intersecting externally at P, then we know that the product of the segments of the chords are equal. That means PA into PB will be equal to PC into PD. Okay, what is given to you? PD is given. Let me see, is it PD itself? Okay, PD is given, yes. Okay, PD is given by 5 centimeter. Okay, and PB is given by, PB is 4 centimeter, and CD they have given, CD this much is 7.8 centimeter. Okay, so PB is given, PD is given. Okay, I need PC. PC, okay, what would be PC? PC will be equal to PD plus DC. PD is 5 plus 7.8, 12.8 centimeter. PC is this. Okay, so put all these values here. Okay, calculate PA. Okay, into PB is given by 4, PC we have calculated as 12.8 and PD is 5. Okay, so we will do the calculation for PA. So PA will be equal to 12.8 into 5 upon 4. Okay, remove the decimals from here. You will have PA is equal to 128, 5 upon 4 into 10, 5 1 the, 5 2 the. Okay, then okay, 4 3 the 12, 4 2 the 8, 2 1 the 16 the. Okay, so PA is equal to 16 centimeter. Okay, so PA we have calculated. PA means we need to find AB. AB, we need to find AB this much. So PA can be written as PB plus AB. Okay, PA can be written as PB plus AB is equal to 16. PB they have given 4. 4 plus AB is equal to 16. That means AB is equal to 16 minus 4. AB is equal to 12 centimeter. We have calculated the first part. Hope this is clear to you. See the next one. You need to find the length of PT for the second PT. Okay, so we know that length of tangent scale, it will be equal to the product of the segments of the chord. It can be written as PA into PB. Okay. So PT square, we need to find the length PT na? PT square, PA we have calculated. PA we have calculated as 16 into PB. PB is given by 4. Okay, means PT will be equal to square root 16 into 4. Square root of 16 will be 4 and square root of 4 will be 2. PT will be equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, hope this sum is clear to you. Now see the next one. See the third sum now. In the third sum, figure is given. This is circle. Okay. PQ is the tangent to the circle at point A. Here is a point A. Okay. And PQ is tangent to the circle at point A. PQ is tangent. Okay. And what else is given? DB or BD is a diameter. DB is a diameter. Okay. So, what else is given? Angle. O is the center of the circle. Okay. ADB is equal to 30 degree. Okay. ADB. This is 30 degree. Figure is given itself there. This is also joint. This is also joint. Okay. And here is somewhere point C. Okay. And this angle is given by 60 degree. Okay. You need to find, this is 30 degree angle CBD is equal to 60 degree. You need to find angle QAB, second PAD, and third one CDB. Okay, these angles you will have to find. BD they have given as diameter. QAB, this one angle. See the figure again. See the figure again. This is a circle. This is a tangent. AB any chord. PQ is a tangent. AB is any chord. ठीक है. This type of property, ठीक है, मैंने एक्सप्लेन की है अपनी पहली वाली वीडियो में. ठीक है. कोई कोड टेंजेंट के साथ जो एंगल बनाती है, ठीक है, सेम एंगल बनाएगी, वही कोड सेम एंगल बनाएगी इन द रिमेनिंग सेगमेंट, मीन्स दीज टू एंगल्स विल बी सेम। ठीक है, एक कोड ने टेंजेंट के साथ जो एंगल बनाया और उसी कोड ने रिमेनिंग सेगमेंट में, ठीक है, सर्कल के रिमेनिंग सेगमेंट में जो एंगल बनाया है, ये दोनों सेम होने। ठीक है, हियर दिस पॉइंट इज डी एंड दिस वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट, दीज टू विल बी सेम ना। ठीक है, so you will write angle Q for the first part. QAB is equal to angle ADB. Okay, QAB is equal to ADB. Okay, so the reason is angle made in the alternating segment, angle made by tangent and chord, ठीक है, in the alternate or you can say opposite segment are equal. Okay, you can see angle between the tangent and chord and angle made in the alternate opposite the remaining segment, these two angles will be same. That means QAB is equal to 30 degree itself. So first part we have calculated, and the second one you need to calculate PAD. PAD, this much of angle you need to find, this much of angle. See, this is 30 degree, and what would be this angle? If this is BD is the diameter, okay, DB, if it is a diameter, so what would be this A angle? Angle subtended by the diameter on the circumference of the circle, that will be of 70 degree, oh sorry 90 degree, 90 degree. Okay, angle of the semicircle. Okay, angle DAB is equal to 90 degree because angle in semicircle, angle in semicircle. Okay, so because PAQ is a straight line, because PAQ is a straight line, then what would happen? Okay, sum of angles over this line will be equal to 180 degree. So this much is 90 degree. That means PAD plus 90 plus 30 is equal to 180 degree. PAD plus 90 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. PAD plus 90 plus 30, 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. That means angle PAD is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree is equal to 60 degree. Okay, so second part is also done. Now see the third, CDB. This we need to calculate, this we need to calculate. Okay, how can you calculate this? See, BD is the diameter na? Again BD is the diameter, this angle will be of 90 degree. ठीक है, angle in the semicircle. ठीक है, now angle BCD is equal to 90 degree because this is the angle of semicircle. Okay, so in triangle BCD, sum of angles of a triangle will be equal to 180 degree, 90 degree plus 60 degree plus angle CDB is equal to 180 degree, sum angle property. Okay, 90 plus 60, it will be equal to 150 degree. 150 plus angle CDB is equal to 180 degree. That means CDB is equal to 180 degree minus 150 degree. CDB is equal to 30 degree. Hence the third part is also done. Hope all these calculations and results are clear to you? It's next sum, fourth sum. From the book you can see, ICSE book is there. Okay, fourth sum. You should try on your own. If there will be any doubt, you can write in the comment box. Then separately I will solve this sum. Okay, I think if you understand all these calculation results, then you can solve the fourth sum on your own. Must try this sum on your own. I have already told you, first I'm solving the find something, some length of the chord or angle. Okay, I will calculate something. These type of sums I am solving first. Okay, so after that I will discuss or prove that or show that type of sums. So the next find something in which you have to find something. That sum is the 14th sum that I am going to solve. In between all the prove that type of sums, after finishing this I will start with the prove that type of sums. Okay, in the figure chord AE, this is a figure in which chord AE and BC intersect at D. What they said, this angle is of 90 degree. This is D, this angle is of 90 degree. Okay, AB, the length of AB is given. Join A and B. Okay, this length is given by 5 centimeter, and BD, this much is given by 4 centimeter. CD, this much is given by 9 centimeter. You need to find DE. Very simple. Here the chords are intersecting internally, so we can write. We know that product of the segments of the chords will be equal. Okay, because chords AE, they have given AE and BC intersect internally. Then what would happen? We can write AD into DE. AD into DE is equal to BD into DC. Okay, AD length, what is given? AB is given. Okay, first we'll have to find AD, because this is 90 degree, this will also of 90 degree, this will also of 90 degree. Okay, DE we need to calculate, leave it. BD is given and DC is given, and by using this is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Okay, this is 5 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter. ADB, by using Pythagoras theorem I can calculate the value of AD. Okay, write it as it is. Say, suppose this is equation number 1. Now in triangle ADB, hypotenuse square, that means AB square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square, means 5 square is equal to AD square plus 4 square, that means 25 is equal to AD square plus 16, means AD square will be equal to 25 minus 16, that is 9, means AD is equal to 3 centimeter. Now using 1, now use 1. Now from 1, put all the values here. AD we had calculated as 3, DE we need to calculate, write DE as it is, and BD is 4 and DC is 9. means DE will be equal to 4 into 9 by 3. 3 3 the 9. DE is equal to 12 centimeter. So first part is done. You need to find DE. The second is, okay, for the second to prove is if what they said in the second part, if AD is equal to BD, then show that this is a part of this sum, na? So this we will show that type of sum we'll do here, because this information we need to solve this is equal to BC. Okay, write it as equation number 2, ADBD. Okay, now from 1, write 1 again. AD into DE is equal to BD into DC. We know that AD is equal to BD, so instead of AD, can you write BD here? Okay, for AD I am going to write BD here. BD into DE is equal to BD into DC. Okay, same length will be cancelled out. Okay, means DE is equal to DC. Okay, suppose this is equation number 3. Adding 2 and 3. Adding equation number 2 and 3. Why we are going to add them? See, AD is equal to, we have, it is given AD is equal to BD. Means this length they have given equal to this one. Then we have proved that this much length is equal to this one. So I need full, na? I need a relation for AE. AE consists of AD plus DE. AD plus DE. BC, this full length consists of BD plus DC. BD plus DC. Okay, to equate these two lines, to have these two lines, okay, so I'm going to add them. AD plus DE is equal to BD plus DC. Okay, AD plus DE is equal to AE and BD plus DC is equal to BC. Hence proved. Hope this is clear to you. Now I'm going to solve the next calculate type of sum. Again, 15th is show that type of sum. I'm going to solve 16th sum first. Okay, same type of sums we will finish first. Okay, so this is important also. O is the center of the circle. Circle is given and O is the center of the circle. AB is the tangent. Figure is given to you. Okay, tangent at B. Suppose here is a point B. This is the tangent. AB is a tangent at B. Okay, so they have joined this with center and here is a D. This they have given by 65 degree. Here is E. Here is O. Okay, here is C. Okay, so O is the center of the circle, AB is a tangent, and this BDC is given by 65 degree. You need to find BAO. This you need to find from this figure. Okay, see how will we solve this sum. So in triangle BDC, this angle is 65 degree, and we know that angle between the tangent and the radius, BO is the radius, na? Okay, AB is tangent line and OB is radius. So we know that angle between the radius and tangent is of 90 degree always. Okay. So in this triangle, this one, two angles are here. We can calculate the third unknown angle. Okay. So angle, first write the reason for this. DBC will be equal to 90 degree. Okay, because angle between tangent, you can write angle between tangent and radius only. We know that that will be of 90 degree. Okay, so 90 degree plus 65 degree plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree. Some angle property. Okay, so 90 plus 65, it will be equal to 155 degree plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree. Angle BCD is equal to 180 degree minus 155. 180 minus 150, 30, 30 minus 5, 25. It is 25 degree. Now take this triangle. COE. In triangle COE, what would happen? In triangle COE, OE is equal to OC, radii of the same circle. Okay, then what would happen? These two are same, radii of the same circle. Their opposite angles will also be same. What is the opposite to OC? This angle. And OE's opposite angle is this, 25. Okay, OE's opposite angle is, if we have calculated BCD, if it is 25 degree, so will be OCE. ठीक है, लाइंस को थोड़ा एक्सटेंड कर दो या थोड़ा रिड्यूस कर दो, एंगल की मेजरमेंट पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. देयरफॉर यू कैन राइट OCE is equal to 25 degree itself. Okay, so OE के opposite angle क्या है? OCE and OC के opposite क्या है? OEC. ठीक है, OCE we have calculated 25 degree. OEC, that means angle OEC is equal to 25 degree. This we have calculated as 25 degree. So will be this angle, vertically opposite angle. Okay, AED will be equal to OEC. These two are the vertically opposite angles. Now, angle AED will be equal to angle OEC. Okay, OEC, vertically opposite angles, means angle AED is equal to 25 degree, means this angle is of 25 degree. Now see, 65 degree is given here. So we can use a linear pair property because ADB is a straight line. D पे जो दोनों angles बने उनका सम क्या होगा? 180 degree. Now because ADB is a straight line, then what would happen? 65 degree plus angle EADE. 65 means EDB plus EDA. Okay, so ADE is equal to 180 degree, means angle ADE is equal to 180 degree minus 65 degree. 180 degree minus 60, 120 minus 5, 115, means it will be equal to 115 degree, means this much of angle is 115 degree. Now can we take this triangle ADE? Okay, now see, I'm going to solve here. After this you can see, in triangle ADE, follow the arrow. Okay, ADE, sum of angles of a triangle, 115 degree plus 25 degree plus angle DAE is equal to 180 degree, sum angle property. Okay, so this will be equal to 140 degree. Okay, 115 plus 5 20 plus 20 40 plus DAE is equal to 180 degree, means DAE is equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree is equal to 40 degree. DAE, so सेम विल बी BAO. अगर लाइंस को थोड़ा एक्सटेंड भी कर दो तो भी इस मेजरमेंट पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा. इन दोनों लाइंस को थोड़ा एक्सटेंड कर दो, ठीक है, D को B तक, E को O तक, देन आपके पास क्या आंसर आ जाएगा? BAO is equal to 45 degree. This was a question. In question we need to find this angle BAO. Thus we have calculated. Hope जितना भी आज हमने डिस्कस किया है that is clear to you. Thanks for watching the video.